This is your CBS 46 News Update, brought to you by West Shore Home.
Good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Karen Greer. An update to a story we've been following. Dunwoody police tell us they have arrested the man they say is responsible for a triple shooting in DeKalb County. 23-year-old Justin Turner now behind bars. Turner used his car to cut off a family's SUV that was heading out of the gates of the Dunwoody Glen apartments, then began shooting at his ex-girlfriend's family. 22-year-old Crystal Williams and her mother, 46-year-old Danielle Sims, were killed. Her brother, 18-year-old Malachi Williams, was also shot. There was a child in the car as well who was unharmed. Investigators are still trying to determine what led up to that shooting. Now to the latest on the coronavirus here in Georgia. Currently, there are more than 283,000 confirmed cases, 612 new cases reported yesterday. That's the lowest single-day total since June 7th. And so far, more than 6,000 people have died as a result of the virus. Now, coronavirus testing continues to go up with more than 2.7 total tests administered across the state. Thousands of Georgians pushing to keep universities open during this pandemic. Supporters are trying to do it through a new Facebook group. It has more than 5,200 members, and the group wants school officials to know there are parents in favor of keeping campuses open despite the pressure to shut them down. One organizer says the biggest concern about closing the institutions is the toll it's taking on the students' mental health.
The CDC even has recently released a couple of reports. One that 1 in 4 people in this age group have seriously contemplated suicide in the last 30 days, which is a huge increase over what's normal. And then additionally, I believe the director recently said that suicide and overdose are a far higher risk to these students than the COVID-19 virus.
Marin says group also plans to address some of the disparities happening in online classes in the future. The Senate back today after the holiday recess, and the nation waits to see whether Congress can agree on any coronavirus relief package. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin says Senate Republicans will move forward with a scaled-back COVID-19 proposal this week, but Democrats want a plan that goes further, helping schools, renters, and small businesses. Experts optimistic that Georgia tourism will rebound following this pandemic. They say the industry should bounce back next year after huge COVID-19 related losses. A full recovery is expected by 2023. Travel spending in Georgia is down $8.6 billion. That's compared to the same period last year. And now let's switch gears and check in with Jen and see what we can expect for our weather. Jen?
We have a beautiful day ahead. Lots of sunshine, highs in the upper 80s. The last dry day before changes move in. So hopefully you will enjoy today to the max. Starting tomorrow, we have a 30% chance of rain, a 40% chance on Friday, and then a 50% chance Friday, Saturday. So we are going to go into a more unsettled pattern with rain and higher humidity. And that's what we'll see tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies, higher humidity with a 30% chance of rain. After that, rain chances go up. Temperatures stay in those mid to upper 80s with off and on rain through early next week.
This has been your personal news update from CBS 46 News, brought to you by West Shore Home, Atlanta's one-day bath remodeler.